Now, there are many ways to make money on the internet, but if you see this video, please take a while. Just watch this video from beginning to end, because in this video, I will teach you the laziest way to make money on the internet. A lot of people, because when we make videos like this, they'll be like, it's not true, it's not true. They like proof. So I'm going to show you proof, and I'm going to explain everything to you, how this thing works. Now, look at my phone. This is my phone. If you look at my phone, if you can see clearly, you're going to see 1,684 balance in this particular app. That is the money I have on this app, and I'm going to show you what this is worth and how you can make this money without doing anything. 1,684, you can see it there, and I'm going to show you step by step how all this thing works. Now, if you're watching my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. What I do on this channel is I teach people how to make money online legitimately, things that work. I give you real value. There are a lot of people creating content on YouTube telling you can make money doing this, doing that, and most of the method they are teaching you guys do not work. What I do is I show you guys things that work, tested and trusted methods. I will not come here to tell you I've made so amount of money when I've not done it, but everything I teach here are things that if you follow me step by step, you're going to get results. Enough of the introduction. Let's talk about this particular platform. Now, how do you make money? The laziest way to make money is for you to make money when you don't even know you're making money. Does that make any sense? Let me make it make sense to you guys. See, now, one thing everybody does is that we move from one place to another. We trek. If you want to buy something, you trek. Within your house, you trek. When you want to get your grocery, you walk. When you want to go to the office, you're going to move. Like, you keep moving, you keep walking. So what if I tell you that you can actually make money? You can make your money in dollars by just walking around and you not even knowing that you are making money. Like, you are just literally walking around your house doing the normal things you do every day, and somebody is paying you for doing that. Does that make any sense? Yes. Let me make it make more sense to you. There is a particular platform that the aim of this platform is to make people to live healthier lifestyle by moving themselves, by exercising, by trekking, by moving from one place to another, and they intend to reward you with money for doing this. If you go on Google and you search for this particular platform, it is called Sweatcoin. Some people call it Sweatcoin. You can see here they say Sweatcoin, Healthier Planet, wealthier you. So basically what they do is they reward you for your daily steps with a new generation currency that you can spend on cool products or donate to charity. Look at this. Sweatcoin is a free app that rewards you daily, that rewards your daily step with a new generation currency you can spend on cool products and donate to charity. Now, the interesting thing is that a lot of you guys, you work from your home to your office excuse me, and some people, you wake up in the morning, you do exercise and stuff, and the honest thing is, after doing all this stuff, you just sweat it out, you feel good, but you're not making money from it. I'm the kind of person that when I wake up in the morning, I like jogging. So when I jog, I just feel good after jogging. But since I decided to start using this Sweatcoin app, this is not a paid advert. This is true. This is something I can explain. I'm going to show you guys everything step by step, how it works. I have been making money by just doing things I enjoy doing. So when I move around my house, my Sweatcoin is increasing. I'm making money. I don't even need to open the app. Once you have downloaded the app on your phone, you don't need to open it. You just start making money. If I'm going to meet a friend, I am making money. When I'm going to see somebody, I'm making money. When I'm jogging, I'm making money. Anything I'm doing, as far as I'm moving, I'm making money. So this is like the easiest way to make money, when subconsciously or unconsciously you're just doing what you're doing and you're making money. Right now, this is what Sweatcoin is about. Sweatcoin, they pay you to walk, they pay you to move around. It is a free app that reward you with cryptocurrencies, and the interesting thing is that the cryptocurrencies that they are rewarding you with are real cryptocurrencies that you can withdraw, you can make money from them. Yes, so the thing is, the cryptocurrencies are listed on the biggest crypto exchange. Sweatcoin is on Binance, is on Bybit, is on KuCoin. Even when you go to the crypto chart, trading view, if you come here, you're going to see Sweatcoin. Yeah, this is the Sweatcoin chart, right? Look at it. Currently, the coin is going up. Look at this. The coin is going up. The coin is going up. And if you look at the crypto market, you can see that the market is recovering. The coin is currently going up, right? This is just when it goes up, then it's going to come back, correct, and go back up again. And this coin is currently 0.1 penny. The funny thing is that I was able to get over 1,000 plus of this coin in the space of few days just moving around. Man, I didn't know that I was actually, moving that, like gathering that kind of money, just moving around. And this movement I've been doing, it is currently worth like over 40 something dollars. That particular coin that I showed you guys on my wallet address, if you convert it to money, it is worth 40 something dollars. And if you convert 40 something dollars, let's say 40, I think it's $42, times current exchange rate in Nigeria, 750 naira. Boom, it is 31,500. I have 31,500 on my Sweatcoin app. The thing is, I just have the coin on my wallet address. I'm intentionally not withdrawing it because cryptocurrencies will continue to go up. So when the price goes higher than this, then I can sell it off for a better amount while I'm still gathering more coins, right? So basically the point is, you just need to go on the Sweatcoin platform. When you go there, you're going to download the app. When you download the app, you begin to start moving around and doing your daily stuff, and before you know what is happening, you get paid for it. For example, when you come to their official website, which is the website I'm showing you now, you can see that they have over 120 million registered users, and they are expecting to have 1 billion users to come. The idea is for you to live a more healthy lifestyle and make money while you are moving around. Now, when you have these coins, you can choose to spend it on the app, the platform. You can use it to buy a phone, you can use it to buy an headset. There are a lot of, you can use it to buy clothes and stuff. There are things that you can actually use this app to shop for on the platform. You can donate it to charity. You can decide to keep it as your cryptocurrency, and when it continues to increase in value, you can withdraw it and collect real cash, right? If you are doubting the credibility of this platform, look at the website that have featured them. Like, they are known, they're even one of the biggest. They have like 1.36 million rating on Google, and the rating score is very high. Even the same thing on Apple Store, right? They are featured in different countries. They are currently the number one app in over 60 countries. I'm going to put a link in the description. It is very important. A link for you to use to create your account. Once you use that link to download your Sweatcoin and your account, you're not going to have any problem. Me that I'm referring, I'm going to get 5 Sweatcoin for referring you guys, and you that you have created your account, you can begin to start earning free money by just moving around. Look at this, right? There are a lot of stuff you can buy in their market space. Like I told you guys, I said you can choose from 1,000 fabulous branded goods and services in their marketplace, from high-tech shoes to iPhones to anti-gravity yoga classes to Apple watches and more. And these are totally trial. You can donate the money. I currently use the app. I've been using this app for a period, but the honest truth is, I will not come here to deceive you guys. This is an easy way of making money without any stress whatsoever, right? When you go to your Play Store and look for Sweatcoin, or use the link in my description, just click on it and create your Sweatcoin. Or you can use the link when you come here, click on download the app, right? Just make sure that you use my referral link, because I'm the one showing you guys this opportunity so that I will get more Sweatcoin. But this is the easiest way so far on the internet you can make money. You just make money by literally having this app on your phone and moving around, and you will see yourself making money every day. I have a lot of people that have been making tons of money by just doing this. Yes, and I've also benefited from it. I currently have 30-something thousand naira just like that without any stress. I showed you guys with proof, and if you take this serious, you can begin to start making money. Thank you very much guys for stopping by. There are other videos I'm going to show you guys how to make easy money. If you choose to take them serious, you're going to do how to make a better life for yourself. I love you guys. Bye for now. Alpha Wolf signing out.